Hare Krishna students. Today I'll teach you about Tritiya Vibhakti. You know about Prathama Vibhakti and Ditiya Vibhakti, na? Now today I'm going to teach you Tritiya Vibhakti. Tritiya Vibhakti we are using in Karan Karak. Where Tritiya Vibhakti we are using in Karan Karak. Tritiya Vibhakti means third case ending. What? Third case ending. And this third case ending we are using in instrumental case. Okay. How we will understand that this is Tritiya Vibhakti? Am I right? What is Tritiya Vibhakti? Wherever you will see the meaning of like with. Wherever you will get the meaning, means one sentence you will get if there is meaning with, okay, with, by, or defective body parts. That means there is some dispute in body part, okay. That means you can say that blind, lamp, like this. So if you are getting any dispute in body part in a sentence or by, with, this type of meaning will come, then you will understand, and this is Tritiya Vibhakti. With, you can say that teacher is going with a student, or you can say I am writing by my pen or with my pen. So wherever you will get meaning with, by, or any dispute in body part, then there will be Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. Now come to the rules. First, I am teaching you the masculine gender. M for masculine gender sign. Okay. So masculine gender rules I am teaching you. See. Say everyone with me. If you not said with me, you cannot remember. Say. Eno. Abhyam. Oihi. See, no, this is akar should be front. Then next letter is no. So a, this is a, and this is no. Na. Here also abhyam. This is bhoy yafala. Then akar. Vya. Abhyam. Then oikar. Then visarga. Don't write visarga down of this oiki matra. This is side. First letter oika, then second letter visarga, as same as like this. So remember, eno abhyam oihi. What? Eno abhyam oihi. Say again. Eno abhyam oihi. Okay. Now put the rules. Hastaha, you know masculine gender. Balakaha, new masculine gender. Hastaha, balakaha. How you can put Tritiya Vibhakti? See, hastaha plus ena, hastena. Hastaha plus abhyam, hastabhyam. Hastaha plus oihi, hastaihi. So eno abhyam oihi, hastena, hastabhyam, hastaihi. You can say na. Hasteno, hastabhyam, hastaihi. Balokeno, balokabhyam, balokoihi. Okay. Now see feminine gender. What is feminine gender rules? Oya, abhyam, abhihi. What? Oya, abhyam, abhihi. Oya, abhyam, abhihi. This is o, and these are a. Oya, abhyam, abhihi. Now put the rules. You know Tula feminine gender, Balika feminine gender. Now put the rules. Tula plus Oya. So Tula plus Oya, that's why Tu Loya. We cannot give here Aki Matra. This Aki Matra will gone because this is O, Oya. At the end we will have to get Oya. That's why Tu Loya. Bali Koya. Don't say Balika here. If you write Balikaya, then it is wrong. If you write Tu Laya, then it is wrong. Because the rules is Oya. So Tu Loya, Balikoya. Understand? Then next one. See? Abhyam, Tu Labhyam, Balikabhyam, Abhyam. That's why Tu Labhyam. Avihi, Tu Labhi, Avihi. That's why here is A. Tulavhihi. बालिकाभिः, तुलया तुलाभ्याम तुलाभिः, बालिकया बालिकाभ्याम बालिकाभिः. Okay, now come to neuter gender. Okay, eno abhyam oihi. What? Eno abhyam oihi. Yes, as same as like masculine gender. Eno abhyam oihi. Eno abhyam oihi. Okay, both are same. See, masculine gender you can see eno abhyam oihi. Neuter gender also eno abhyam oihi. So from Tritiya Vibhakti, all neuter gender are same as masculine gender. That means masculine gender and neuter gender rules are same from Tritiya to Saptami Vibhakti. Okay, so it is easy for you. Now remember eno abhyam oihi. But one thing you have to remember, that sabda, that means word, in masculine gender definitely masculine word, and in neuter gender definitely we will put neuter word, that means neuter gender word, that means like phalam, bimanam, like this, and here will be like hastaha, balakaha. Okay, so this type of word we will choose here and we will add Tritiya Vibhakti rules, and this neuter gender word we will choose and we will add Tritiya Napumsak Linga, that means neuter gender, this Tritiya Vibhakti rules. Rules may be same but word will be not same. These are masculine gender words and these are neuter gender words. Now say Bimanam you know, so Bimanam plus ena, Bimanena. Bimanabhyam, Bimanoihi, like enah abhyam oihi, Bimaneno, Bimanabhyam, Bimanoihi. Phalam plus ena, Phalena, Phaleno, Phalabhyam, Phaloihi, eno abhyam oihi, Phaleno, Phalabhyam, Phaloihi. Okay, definitely I will send you the picture. Please write in your copy. Okay, you have to write all the rules also and this example also. These are the example. This two example I given. This purple color are rules. Okay, and this red color are example. So please remember the rules. Then only I can start the next chapter. So this is very easy if you learn, if you memorize. If you not memorize, then it is tough for you. So please memorize today only. You have to remember these three lines. Eno abhyam oihi, oya abhyam abhihi, eno abhyam oihi. Eno abhyam oihi, oya abhyam abhihi, eno abhyam oihi. Understand?